story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, rear parking aid. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, power steering, rear head airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.